Hi, I'm Taryn Grom, editor of PharmaVOICE magazine, on the floor of the 2010 DIA annual meeting, and I'm here with Peter Armerding from Integrated Clinical Solutions.
Welcome to the PharmaVOICE Editors Take video program. Let's talk about what drives your interest in clinical operations process automation.
Well, I've implemented a lot of commercial CTMS systems and other clinical systems that were completely driven by senior management requirements for information. They ignored the needs of the users. So the users who had that data balked at the implementation of the system because they viewed it as redundant and extra work. And as people who deliver clinical operations software, we need to start taking into account the needs of those users so that the monitors or CRAs, the site coordinators and the trial managers, the people who are doing the actual real work, they get some benefit out of the system and don't have to do their work over again.
Now, how can process automation be best applied to improve clinical operations in the trenches?
Well, there are two key directions that I think we can take. The first is to deliver communication and collaboration tools that allow the sponsor, CRO, and site organizations to work together in a collaborative platform. And this would be like implementing a social media site today, where that environment is the kind of way we would work together across dispersed organizations. And the second thing is to link trial site planning activities to the tools that actually collect the real dates of things being done and flow them directly into transparent status reports.
Those are excellent points. Now let's talk about what the current roadblocks are to implementing automated processes in clinical operations.
Well, one major roadblock is the dispersed clinical systems that each sponsor and CRO uses their own, and that's a hard thing to overcome, but there may be a solution to that in the future. Another thing is the control of data. How do you establish a broad spectrum of stakeholders and give each one the rights to their own data? The last reason is people desire to control the status that they push up in the organization rather than have everyone provide transparent access to what's really going on in the trial.
What do you think will drive adoption of clinical systems that work for the people in the trenches and provide more open and transparent information for all stakeholders?
I think there are several, but the most important is the globally dispersed teams that we're working in today, with people all over the world working together. They need electronic tools to collaborate and work together effectively, and I think those kind of tools have to provide benefit to the end user, and the kind of systems that just collect data won't work any longer. That's the major reason.
Terrific. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.